What up, squad? Welcome back to another one. We got a special one going on that involves, no, not the truck this time, some JDM. Finally, right? Oh, this thing's like sex in here.
Open that in. Inhale all that in.
Jeez, no garage door open, no ventilation. What are you guys trying to get?
We dying.
You guys trying to get gassed up here?
Trying to get I just might be. Work.
Work? Alright, well that's a good description, but actually we were putting on some of these carbon fiber canards on the damn dude, the car is hot. The car is steaming. Kept that steaming. Anyways. Canards, EVO 10. We have the screws right now, but we have to get those painted so that it gets it's a little more camouflage, so they're not that popping as much. Oh, you can see it. I'm trying to see if I can pick it up on camera. You can definitely see it here. It's like a projector. That's pretty cool. Oh, dude, this bug is still here. You guys didn't remove him? No. This poor guy. Actually, let's just leave him there so we'll send a message to the other ones. Great. Yeah, he's in my shop. I think it looks pretty good. It's not like it's completely off.
Yeah, I think you really have to stare at it if you were to see something wrong. No, I want to see the space in between them. I want to see if it's too much space in between.
Canards are on. Well, mocked up. Right now we're just trying to verify and see that it looks evenly. Oh my god, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Hey, you better get sued for this.
Anyway, oh, what? Not in focus. There we go. So right now we just want to make sure that both sides are even, or as close as they can be. And then, trying to get my shot.
No, sir.
But I think it looks good, man.
I don't know, to me it looks strange, but then again, it doesn't, I don't
It's
really
the color.
see. Yeah, it's probably the color, right?
It's a different color, it throws it off a little bit.
But then again, like, it looks, why does this look short?
That one does look, this one looks more angled.
Yeah, I think I gotta get a different angle
other side.
for this one.
This one doesn't. Yeah, it's also just a different color. It kind of throws it off a little bit. The front looks good.
Yeah, the front
It looks like in the right spot where they're supposed to be. The license plate thing is kind of in the way.
You know what? I think it's good.
It's up to you, man. What do you think?
I think it's good.
Before we start,
Let's get
before we start drilling.
Let's get the big man's opinion. Ty, get out here.
Yo, watch hints on your own time. Yeah, like the position.
They're both the same.
The positioning. What's the verdict? All right. We're gonna go ahead and drill into the bumper. This is probably the one thing I don't like doing. Just to make sure the hole is big enough for the screws and that we don't crack the carbon fiber, because that is my big concern. All right. Here goes something. We'll do the next one.
The notch is grande, and let's start with 50 wings, extra hot, and keep the ranch coming.
All right then. Yeah.
Farting blood up in here.
Yeah, I hear you. I don't know if that's healthy. All right, we got one side of the canards finally complete. It's a little nerve-wracking because you don't want to snap the carbon, but we got it. We got them in. Obviously, you're gonna need two types of drill bits. One just to do the pilot hole, and the other one the same diameter as the hardware that you're gonna use. And essentially go one by one, increasing the size of the hole so that it fits the screw just enough. You don't want to overdo it. And then once you've lined up all the holes, you got it all positioned the way you want it, you want to go ahead and hit it with the screw gun, but just enough to actually hold it in place. After that, you want to hand tighten it with the screwdriver so that you don't snap it or damage anything else. But that is looking tough on the EVO. finally got the Canards installed on the EVO 10. And honestly, I can't say which side it looks better on. Over here, over on the paint side. I mean, either side looks good. But again, to review, all we did was basically mock up the positioning of this thing with some painter's tape, held it in place. Once we figured out the positioning, we got the drill bits and made pilot holes first before actually putting in the screws. It's kind of the more cautious way, but it's pretty nerve-wracking when you're dealing with carbon fiber, especially drilling into it. So I'd probably do take the long route because it's also the safest. And then once you pretty much did all the pilot holes, then you're just increasing the diameter of the drill bit so that it fits your screws or whatever hardware you got, and then you're straight. You're good to go. Look at that. It only took us like, what, 20 minutes? Nah, it was like an hour. There you go. Positioning is what takes the longest time because you just got to make sure it looks even on both sides, which, by the way, it does. Oh, damn, that's actually really good. Wow. That is going to do it for the Canard install on the EVO 10. Go ahead and let everybody know what they're supposed to do.
Watch Alpha Dog.
Oh, come on!
Like, comment, subscribe.
Dude, what are you watching? Okay, alright, never forget that. That was a bad idea. That was a terrible idea. Be sure to, guys, to like, comment, and subscribe for more EVO action. And drop a like because those Canards are tough.